Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. Going to do our daily What Sold video. And today, a lot better than yesterday, almost double, which doesn't say much. I had some sales come in overnight or some offers come in overnight, so we may actually be up to this amount already this morning. But let's go ahead and get into what sold. This was 9 orders, 96 bucks. Nothing very impressive at all. I took a best offer of $20 on this dental booklet, arrangement and articulation Plankington. I'm not sure if that's... Anyway, posteriors, 1969. Came in that big dental book buyout I did years ago. I'm still gnawing away at $20 on a best offer for that book. Galveston, Texas, is that Oleanders? Oleanders in Bloom on Broadway. And this is pre-1908. And best offer, $8 on that card. Next is Gatlinburg, Tennessee, Terrace Motel, Roaring Fork Creek, 1940s. Is not a real photo. $9 best offer. Next, Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Same person bought this one. The Gables Restaurant, 1950s sketch. It looks like we got some creases on there. Baby Buy. I don't know what that is. $7 best offer. Next, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Flag Room, Betsy Ross House, Lutz real photo. This Lutz, where is it? KF Lutz. He does a lot of Philadelphia and I think New York photography, 1930s, 40s. $6.99. Next is advertising postal card party pack. Get it? Party pack. Beverages. It's a coupon knee-high product. Fresno, California. Nice postal. It should, yeah, postal card. $5.99 for that one. This is a private mailing card. PMC is what I also put in the title. Washington, D.C. This is the mansion at Mount Vernon. Right there's private mailing card. So, circa 1900, they put private mailing card 1998 to 1902-ish, something like that. Not off the top of my head, I can't quite remember. $7.99 for that card, and the same person bought this private mailing card. Washington, D.C. Scott Building Soldiers Home. And there's that. Also $7.99. I believe best offers on those. This is Illinois State Flower Violet, artisan Ken Hag. Hag. H-A-A-G. $2.49. Same person bought this one. South Dakota State Flower. I'm not going to try it. Also artisan by Ken Hag. Or Hogg, however you pronounce his name. Sorry, Mr. Ken. This is Sioux City, Iowa, Tribune Building, circa 1910s. And that sold on a $7.50 best offer. And a really cool die cut trade card, circa 1890s, Easton, PA, William Dobb, furniture, upholstery, trade card, bookmark. I called it it's called a bookmark. There's, I packed it up where I'd show you, but that part of this kind of folds out, I think. Yeah, I believe part of it folds out, and you can use it as a bookmark, but I thought it was neat that that's in the shape of a razor. $12.99. This same person came in and bought another like 50 some dollars worth or made offers on worth 50 some odd dollars on other advertising. So, well, definitely an improvement on yesterday, but not by much. Again, it's my fault not listing, not doing much with eBay right now. Thankfully, I'm just letting it coast a little bit while I get my whatnot stuff up to speed. I will be doing a video later today. It'll come out later today, previewing a little bit about tomorrow's Whatnot auction and then next Tuesday's Whatnot auction. Whatnot only gives you, at least when you record through the Whatnot app, it only gives you like 30 seconds to, show what you're selling, and that's why if you listen to the videos, I'm rushing, trying to get everything in 30 seconds. So I want to do a little bit better preview. There will be zero sales and zero offers, except, I don't know why I did that, zero offers and zero sales through eBay. It is just to preview what you can buy on Whatnot. I want to make that perfectly 100% clear. Sorry, there was a hummingbird was just looking directly into my security camera. Caught my eye. So anyway, that's it. Very short video today. Hope to see you tomorrow at the Whatnot auction. Even if you're not going to buy anything, come on in and watch. See how it's done. Not that I'm all that good at it, but at least enter for some giveaways, and there can be some really good giveaways tomorrow. Put some thought into it this time. Okay, that's it. I thank you all for watching.